Hey, what's going on, Kick family? It's that time of year where we bake. So today we're going to discuss leavening agents. So first we have baking soda. Now, if these things been sitting in your cabinet all year long, you have to check these and make sure they're good before you begin baking, or your stuff won't rise. So to test baking soda, the first thing you want to do is get a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of plain white distilled vinegar. And you're going to add them together, and once you get that chemical reaction right there, you know that that baking soda is still good, so we can use it. Next, we have baking powder. Now, baking powder is a little bit different, but sort of similar. So to test baking powder, all you need is a teaspoon of hot water. So go ahead and set it up exactly how you set up the baking soda, and add a teaspoon of baking powder, and then add that teaspoon of hot water, and you should get the same reaction that you got with the baking soda. So if you ever baking and your stuff don't rise, odds are your leavening agents are not good anymore. Thank you guys for checking this video out. I'll catch you next week.